Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I worked 10 years at IRS. Yes, I was a former agent, so the things I tell you, I try to pull you behind the curtain of IRS when I can. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. If you want to learn about me, go to my website at 777irs.com. I am an expert in IRS tax resolution. Hell, I should. I've been doing this for 51 years. If you have unpaid back taxes, you're going to hear a lot of stuff all over the YouTube, and you're going to be shopping for who to get. It tickles me when people call me and they've shopped and they've heard somebody else, and then they try to explain to me what they've learned from somebody else. I've been doing this for 51 years, so just listen to what I have to say because I was the IRS. If you have unpaid back taxes, you generally have three options. I've worked, like I said, thousands of cases. Here's what IRS is going to do. They're going to get a financial statement on you. When they get that financial statement, usually a 433F, three things are going to happen. IRS is going to get that financial statement, and they're going to look it over. The person will decide how much due diligence they want. Some people want the bank statement. Some people want expenses. Some people pull your credit report. Some people do a lot of due diligence, review your checks. Really, at the end of the day, they're just trying to close your case. That's it. If you have back taxes, they're trying to either put you into a currently non-collectible file to close your case or a payment agreement. What determines all that? Your current financial statement. IRS has standards. If your statement looks like this, you go in this bucket. If your statement looks like this, it goes in that bucket. It's that simple. Now, some people are eligible for an offer and compromise. Settle your tax debt. Oh, I want to settle my debt. I want to settle. That's not really how it works. You have to be eligible for the program. Last year, 13,000 people were eligible for that program. So I just want you to know, if you owe IRS tax debt, be careful of giving IRS the financial statement yourself. Why? Well, you don't know what IRS is going to do or how they're going to grade you, how they're going to judge you, what are you going to do with that financial statement. Generally, they're going to look at it and they're going to take the IRS national standards. Look it up online, please. If you're going to do this yourself, don't pick up the phone. You're crazy to pick up the phone unless you know what IRS is going to do when they pick up the phone. What they're going to do is they're going to look at your financial statement and apply their national standards. What are they? The Department of Labor has standards that they're going to put in instead of your expenses. You just don't get to put your expenses on the form and IRS says, poof, that's great. What happens to the person who has a $10,000 mortgage? Poof, oh, is that okay? The person who has a $500 mortgage? Poof, is that no? IRS determines that through the IRS national standards. They're going to dictate to you how much you can spend on food and clothing, housing and utilities, car payments, and car expenses. So before you go calling IRS if you have unpaid tax debt, you better stop and think what IRS is going to do when they get your case. I'm a former agent. I've worked at IRS for 10 years. I've been doing this for 51 years. I'm a national expert. If you need me, give me a call. I do work larger cases. That you should know that. We have a team of former agents. We are some of the best in the business. There is no such thing as the best because no one's ever evaluated everybody. But if they did, we'd be on top, one of the people on top. Give me a subscription if you would. I'd appreciate it. Why? It lets YouTube know we're doing well. You can share me, give me a like. Ask me questions. You can send me an email, whatever you want. I appreciate your time. Thank you so very much.